Today we are making goat meat lice soup. Hello everyone, welcome back again to another video. I hope you all are doing perfectly fine. Today we are making goat lice soup, as I said, and this soup is very delicious and very easy to prepare. So if you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe to my channel, hit that bell so that anytime I post a new video, you'll be the first person to be notified. So let's get started. Alright, so in this recipe I will need my pepper. To that I have some turkey berries as well. You know, I don't joke with turkey berries, yes. So to that I have some garden eggs. Add everything into a pan, add some water, and we're going to boil this for like 15 to 20 minutes to cook very well. So moving forward, I have some tomato paste. To that I have some chopped onions. So into my blender I'll add in my garlic, ginger, and some onions. Add some water to it, and we're going to blend this as well. Alright, so we have our goat meat into a pan already. Everything is nicely washed. So I'll add some goat seasoning or pepper seasoning, some chopped onions as well, my tomato paste, as well as a salt to taste, and our blended ingredients as well. So we're going to add a little bit of water to steam this for like 20 minutes because this goat meat is very hard. So we need to cook this until it is nice and well cooked. Alright, so it's been about 15 minutes of cooking our vegetables as well, and just see how it has cooked very well. So we're going to add everything into our blender, add a little bit of water to it for easy blending, and we're going to blend until it is nice and smooth. So it's been about 10 minutes of steaming our goat meat, and we are back to check on it again and just see how juicy this looks. It looks very delicious at this point, but yeah, it's not ready, so I'll cover this for extra 10 minutes again to cook very well. Alright, so it's been about extra 10 minutes now, and our goat meat has cooked very well. So I'll add in my blended ingredients. I remember this thing it's giving me right here is something else. I just can't wait to eat this soup with my fufu. I just can't wait, yes. And of course we're making some light soup, so I'll add a little bit of water because I want this soup to look a little bit watery. I don't want it too thick, so I'll cover this to cook for extra 20 to 15 minutes and just see how it looks after 15 minutes of cooking our soup. It looks so yummy and very delicious. So at this point our soup is almost done. I think for now it's 80% done, so I don't want to cook this on high heat again. You have to lower the heat to low heat to cook very well. Yeah, so we're going to cook this soup for extra 10 to 15 minutes to cook very well. Alright, so if today being your first time on this channel, my name is Sophia and this is a cooking channel. You are welcome to my channel, and please, if you haven't subscribed, please do well to subscribe to my channel and be part of this beautiful family. And of course our soup is ready after 15 minutes, and just look at how the soup looks. It looks all perfect and ready to be eaten. Yes, so alright, I have some fufu right here and I can't wait to eat this fufu. What do you like your goat's soup with? Is it with banku, fufu, rice ball, or kukunti? Yes, face the wall, that's what I'm talking about. So this afternoon I will be enjoying this goat soup with my fufu. You all are invited into my house. Thank you all so much for watching this video to this point. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you're going to give your girl a thumbs up as I enjoy this fufu, and also turn on the post notification bell as well, so that anytime I post a new video, you'll be the first person to receive a message. Yes, so thank you so much for watching this video. Bye bye and stay blessed.